Good day, everybody. Here we are. I know it's been a while, but think we're Thursdays again, and we are time to get back on this Jurassic Park Jeep. Where we last left off, I dolled up this here side a little bit. So what we got planned today is I got the valve cover on there. Yeah, it looks pretty, but there's no gasket on there. So I'm gonna take that off, put the gasket on, and slowly start bolting a whole bunch of this stuff, and slowly start to get this side looking better. And we're just gonna get work on it, and whatever happens, happens. If I get one bolt in, hey, that's still one step ahead of last week. So anyhow, without further ado, let's get that cover off, put the gasket in place, and keep on going from there. Cheers. Okay, I know I showed you guys me bolting this here piece here earlier in the video. I'm looking at my lines and everything, and stuff doesn't quite seem to line up, which is why one little tip I want to mention here. Open up some pictures that I've taken in the past, and right away I could tell that, yeah, I got something in reverse. So all I'm going to have to do is just unbolt this piece, spin around, and then my lines should connect all freely. But yeah, just one little tip. I like taking lots of pictures as I put stuff together, because this way it's good to have some reference points, because I've already hit quite a few spots here where like gotta scratch the old noggin and try to think of how this went. So at least I got some proof there in the pudding, so on how to put stuff together. Another little thing here too, it's always been a little bit loosey-goosey. There's a bracket missing underneath, which never came with a Jeep. So if anyone out there knows exactly how the bottom here bolts to the valve cover, please let me know. I'll have to do a little bit of homework. So anyhow, let's spin that piece around and make some hoses line up. Cheers. There we go. Starting to look a little bit more like what it's supposed to look like, I think. We'll find out when it comes time to start at some point. Gotta say, some of the stuff that's the most time consuming on this reassembly is a lot of dirty parts. So I got new firewall, every part that I bolt onto it, gotta make sure it's all clean, make it spick and span. I know there's some stuff that I missed, like all these lines. I'm gonna have to dress them up with like some rubber spray, Armor All type stuff, and get them all shined up. But that's one thing that's gonna be killing lots of time on this thing. But bit by bit, we'll get there. So anyhow, I'm gonna clean this piece, bolt that somewhere like there. I think that's where she goes. We'll find a spot for that little feller. But yeah, that's what we're up to now. So finish this up, and then I'll wrap up this video. Here we go. Well, we decided to paint that little piece. Definitely looks a lot better. But anyhow, I'm going to wrap this video up right here, I guess, because it is actually Thursday right now, and I got to edit this. So, came out not too bad this week. Like, not tons, but got that lower pulley painted, looking a lot prettier. Got the valve cover on, that feels good. Got the alternator hooked up. Got our go pedal working again. Got a few little pieces on the firewall mounted. So, anyhow, like that, I could go skip a bunch of stuff, but I want to show you guys everything that's going to get done like that. Like I said before, this may be a 100 part series by the time it's all said and done. Might even be 200. I have no idea. But anyhow, thanks again for watching this, and stay tuned until next time. Cheers, my friends.